Hello, good evening sir. I'm Abel May Aiding Lasan from BSIT 3D. So here, for final requirement, record a screen capture presentation showing at least 30% of progress of your prototype. Explain user flow, the user flow and any complete panels required for the final project. Make sure to showcase your animations, prototype interactions, micro interactions, and other key features. Use of Studio to record. Now I'm using it, including both your face on video and the voice over narration. That's what I'm doing now. You are required to wear your type A school uniform during the recording. Now I'm wearing my type A uniform. Upload the video to your personal YouTube account with the title UED 101 Final Project. Attach your XD and submit the YouTube link on Orange Apps on or before the deadline. Reminder, any video that is cut or edited will automatically receive a 0. So here, this is my mood board. I also used grid for the perfect alignment. This is my mood board. This mood board defines the visual style and brand personality of Velocity Kicks, which is this one. A modern footwear store focused on performance and style. Color palette. The colors are dark blue, red, and white. Creates a strong, energetic, and clean look. Blue shows trust and stability. Red adds actions and excitement. And white keeps the design fresh and minimal. Typography is bold. Fonts are used for the bold fonts. This is the typography. I used Times New Roman and Bookman Old style. And for imagery, the photos highlights running shoes, movement, and athletic, energetic, showing that the brand is all about performance and active lifestyle. UI elements. This is the UI element. Search. Simple icons, a clean search bar, and a neat product card showing how the website or app will look organized, modern, and user-friendly. Categories and mood words. Category buttons, sneakers, which is this one, sneakers, running, casual. Reflect the main product types, while mood words like energetic, dynamic, clean, and innovative. That's all for mood words. Now let's go to the let's go to the prototyping. This is the prototype. That's my prototype. When I go to, this is the home, and home, let's click the home. Let's go to women, kids, men, home. When I click this, it will go here, and when I click this shoes, naglalag ata. Ito tayo. but that's what I'm working on. That this is the 30% of my final requirement. There's hover, hover, and there is also a hover for this. This is the Black Friday sale. This is the icon. That's all. Thank you, sir, for watching.